An exponent is that number in the top right corner above the base number. But what does that mean, and how do we use it? That exponent number refers to how many times we're multiplying out the base number. So, for example, 4 to the power of 3 means 4 times 4 times 4, 3 times. And if you multiply that out, it equals 64. So 2 to the power of 5 with exponent 5 means 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. There's 5 2's being multiplied out. And if you multiply it out, you get 32. So given those first two questions, can you work out 3 to the power of 4? You can always press stop and try work it out. 3 to the power of 4 means 3 times 3 times 3 times 3, 4 times, which equals 81. And what's 2 to the power of 3? Can you work it out either in your head or on paper? You can press pause or stop while you work it out. 2 to the power of 3 is 2 times 2 times 2, 3 times, which equals 8. Thank you for watching.